Hey, the world of drums and drum sets is constantly changing, and while some companies come and go, there is a core group of brands that consistently produce impressive drums. The companies on this list all make great, versatile drums, but they all have certain characteristics that make them better suited to certain styles of music or playing. In this video, you'll see 6 solid options worth your attention, and all the product links are in the description if you want to check specs, reviews, or prices. Let's dive in. 1. Pearl Midtown Series 4 Pieces. Although this kit is priced higher than other cheaper drum sets, it offers quality and value. Pearl is not an unknown name in the drum world. In fact, they are one of the most popular drum makers to date. Roadshow kits offer quality that other cheaper drum manufacturers can't match. This kit is similar to the Ludwig Breakbeats, but the big advantage is that it includes a cymbal stand and kick pedal. 2. Ludwig Breakbeats. Since its launch in 2013, this compact drum set has been considered the king of mini-kits for portability, small stages, and even young players. This set consists of a 16x14 bass drum, a 10x7 rack tom, and a 13 rack tom, x13 floor tom with standard 14x5 snare, chrome-plated shell hardware with heavy tom holders, smooth hoops, and sturdy bass drum riser feels solid in our hands. 3. Cat Complete All-Mesh Electronic Drum Set. Adding a new flavor to the mix is Cat's very functional yet affordable electronic drum set. The KT150 All-Mesh Complete Kit sells for around $550. But don't underestimate this little beast, because it truly outperforms and delivers compared to the best electronic drum sets on the market. 4. Pearl Export EXX. The introduction of the Pearl Export in 1982 set a new standard, and in 2007 the kit was revived with an upgraded shell, new lugs, new tom brackets, and a superior hardware package. Newer, smaller-piece rugs with a reduced area will allow the shell to breathe better. The included 830 series hardware pack and brushed silver and orange Demonator bass drum pedal are really great value for money. 5. Ashthorpe 5-piece adult drum set. Ashthorpe's 5-piece kit is very affordable. Including the cost of cymbals, it is about half the cost in Midtown. For a complete beginner who needs an inexpensive drum set, you can't go wrong. When you sacrifice cost, you also sacrifice your brand name. Ashthorpe is not a name most drummers will be familiar with, as they mostly focus on entry-level student instruments. 6. Ludwig Questlove Pocket Kit. Ludwig is a drum manufacturer that needs no introduction. They make killer drums, and some of the greatest drummers of all time endorse their manufacturers. Ludwig's Questlove Pocket Kit is no exception. It's incredibly affordable and looks incredibly good at first glance. 3 color options are available, and the shiny finish looks fantastic. One thing to note is that since this drum kit is marketed toward younger players, it may be too small for adults to play comfortably. If this video helped you out, feel free to like, comment your favorite pick, and subscribe for more gear breakdowns.